what I ate today as a big guy. This morning, we're back at it again. We got the brunch burger. Butter patty, egg, cheese, bacon. Delicious. We also got a hash brown. Lunch, we got shredded chicken taco bowl. Sounds good. Smells amazing. That's really good. Just has chicken, rice, black beans. There's like some sauce that I put on it. But it tastes really good. Don't mind the homies bumping music right now in the shop. We're back at it again with the goodles. Yo, these little cups are really clutch. Like, I really like them a lot. All right, for dinner, we got a chicken Caesar sandwich on Italian herbs and cheese. And we got some French fries. And then we just got some water.